Oh, kita mo ito ang frozen.
Huh?
Frozen.
Yeah.
Tama?
Frozen river. Look. And you can do skating there.
How come they didn't put salt on it?
What's that, Daddy? Yun ba yung monument? What hindi, it's not. What is that? Right there. At siya may wangwang.
Sa akin ba sumusunod?
Huh?
Init. Todo. Ano ba yan?
Does it look
Naginiginaw ba kayo?
Hindi ako nag-ano niyan, set niyan. Ikaw ba nag-ano niyan, Cedric? Todo?
Ha? Ano?
Nakaset ng todo?
Ano yung todo? No.
Heater.
I didn't even set that. I've been sitting here.
Nasaan na naman yung memorial? Washington Memorial na yan.
Ayan, una sa gilid mo, sa
ayun.
right
That's
side.
Columbus.
Atlantic.
What the heck's happening?
Is that?
Saan pumunta mo na dun somewhere?
World War II Memorial.
There's a memorial there. Gusto mag-park doon, look. May parking area doon.
Ah, okay. Paano pupunta doon? Diretso ako.
Diretso. What's that in there?
Tapos mag-bus na lang tayo, na? Hindi ko nakita yung White House.
Tanong natin sa... Kasi sabi ko pag-aralan mo yung mapa.
Pinag-aralan ko na nga eh. Simple-simple lang. Ito yung si Lincoln. Nasa gitna yung Washington Monument. Nandito ang White House. Nandito yung Capitol. Oh. Ano ba namang hirap-hirap nun? May reflection pond in between. Tapos ngayon hindi ko na makita lahat yun. Ayan o, hindi ko mapuntahan yung parking lot na yun.
Ikot tayo. Saluting our troops. Ito. Ayun o. Doon. Ay, ito.
No let. No let.
Doon. Doon sa uno. Construction everywhere.
Pwede ba lumingo rito?
Dedicated to art.
Either they're approving it or just
May nakasign pa. American Craft
Doon na liliko.
Gallery. Ano yan? Renwick Gallery.
FBI.
$349. Mga shirts. Bili natin pang ano, pang uwi. 3 something lang isa. Oh, maganda no? Ay, yung t-shirt, yung nasa unahan kaya magkano? Hindi man t-shirt yan, mga jacket yan, no?
Gawa lang sa tutuban yan eh. You see?
$3 for each.
Imported pa
Diba?
din.
Yung mga tindahan sa street. Gawa lang sa tutuban yan eh. Di bali daw, imported pa rin. see Obama? I see Obama. Royal parking. Oopsie.
What's so royal about it?
There is Royal True Orange inside.
You're looking for a parking here, and then we're gonna ride a bus. What do you think? Gusto tumira ni Michael dito. Ang gaganda ng mga buildings eh. Mahilig pa naman siya sa history.
Ano yung White House?
Where?
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
It is.
Yata, oo. Yun na yun.
You're right. That's
Yung White House.
No, that's not the White House.
It's not?
It's the Blue House.
But it's white.
Oh,
Uy, tinan mo yung birds.
It's
Yung
the yellow
kinakuna
White
nila.
House.
Which is very...
I know what's inside the White House.
The
president.
I know what the backyard looks like. I know how they work inside.
Mm-hmm. To see it in the...
Murder at 1600.
Mm-hmm.
Kaya 1600 Pennsylvania
Yung mga
Avenue.
cameras was following Obama's daily routine. One day.
Where do you see it? But you just see it in the video, not on the real.
Did I pass a stoplight?
The Department of the Treasury.
This place reminds me of London.
What's that? Ano yung pila na yan?
Pila Balde.
Pila Balde. Where is?
Cute ng Japanese, oh.
Pilipina yan eh.
Pilipina ba yan?
Look at that.
How come the statue is blue? Or sign?
Ang cute ng Pilipina.
Ganda.
Ganda. Yes, baby?